Well, it's kind of a dreary, moody looking day out today, but I just wanted to make some comments on the Holy Grail of everlasting life, where all compasses point to the center of the dish, the way out of this matrix, and it obviously is a matrix. There's no way around it. I can see it clear as a fucking bell, man. And anyways, well, this is just getting into off topic a little bit with regards to the flat earth, but it all ties together. And that's this. I see channels and see these guys promoting the globe. I have never seen the globe pushed any harder than I have now. And obviously we're making an impact. People are making an impact on what is going on, the reality of the situation. And for every person that starts to wake up, there is a troll and a shill set on standby in a running position ready to come at you. Don't worry, they're there. They don't have a fucking clue what they're talking about. They are severely retarded. And I mean severely. They actually appear retarded to me right now. And I can substantiate this with actual facts and questions that they can't answer. And they go into a rampage and spit out math formulas and tell me how dumb I am and I need to be educated and I need to go back to school. No, I don't need to be educated. I don't need to go back to school. In fact, in grade 7, I took art class, and in art class, we took perspective. The law of perspective, linear perspective, angular perspective. There's so many different variations of perspective that people are not taking into consideration. For example, if you were to take a fly, stick it on the floor, and walk away from that fly, slowly that fly would disappear out of your sight. And if you were to take your camera and put it down on that floor, however flat that floor is, eventually that fly would disappear because of angular resolution. The angle becomes too small, so therefore the perspective of the fly disappears. The fly is still there on a flat surface, but it disappears. In no curve calculator that they have, blah, 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 they fucking ever use that. According to them, in their mindfuck worlds, everything is behind the curve. It's over the curve. There's no calculation required. It's behind the curve. Listen, you fucking retards. You fucking poor excuse for a human being. You babbling fucking monkeys. The good part of you ran down your mother's fucking leg because you are clearly fucking retarded. Okay? Clearly. You cannot tell me you can watch your iconic godlike figure that you fucking retards hold so fucking dear. Let's say Neil deGrasse Tyson tells you straight up, you cannot see any curve from Earth, from an airplane, or from anything. You have to be way up into outer space, if outer space even existed, and it doesn't. Yet, in the same breath, you're going to tell people that ships go over the horizon. Look at it go over the horizon. It's the curve of the Earth. Well, as it's going over the horizon in the curve of the Earth, in the picture that you're looking at, say you're zoomed out with a camera, and it's just as far to the left and just as far to the right, but it's fucking disappearing over the curve. It's called perspective, you fucking wingnuts. You fucking idiots. Are you fucking kidding me? It's actual torture talking to these people. Because all they have in their heads is pseudoscientific fucking math that's all fucking crammed in there like fucking noodles all squished together that don't even make any fucking sense. None! So you don't use the law of perspective. You don't use any perspective in your calculators. All you think is everything is because of the curve. It's the curve. You fucking morons. And secondly, there is no demonstration that can be given of any pressurized system, any, without a container. That means a floor, walls, and a ceiling. That's what it means. That's what a fucking container means. And in fact, when you look up the word pressurized, you fucking retards, it will have the word container in there. And the only way a container becomes pressurized is with air, right? Or whatever gas that you're putting in there. And the only way it becomes pressurized is to have it fully enclosed. Fully enclosed. Now, what you're demonstrating of the Earth is not an enclosed system. It is a ball floating in this fucking void of stupidity, convoluted fucking morons that are fucking preaching their fucking pseudoscientific fucking dogma. And people have had a fucking enough. We're calling you out, motherfuckers. And we don't want your C.g.i. crap videos. You're literally infecting our children with your fucking garbage. Your science doesn't make sense. It doesn't add up. You're a bunch of fucking liars. You cannot have a pressurized system without a container beside a fucking vacuum. Everything that this earth is, all the pressure that it is, would simply go into the void that was open, your outer space. And you can fucking set the goalposts as far as you want. It makes no difference. You can put as many layers of whatever you want on it. It makes no difference. It still inevitably has to go into the void of space, you fucking monkey. So what's holding it? We know. We just know. We don't have the time to waste to tell you our formulas and blah, 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 blah. We just got time to fucking put retards on fucking videos with weird eyebrows and their eyes going up and down and talk like you're fucking dumb and fucking you should know this. No. What I know is what I see. And what I see is that the earth doesn't spin. The earth doesn't fucking feel like it's spinning. Okay, number one. Number two, you cannot have a pressurized system without a container. Number three, there's no fucking counting for perspective. Everything goes over the curve, according to you fucking idiots. You know, and number four, I see no demonstration whatsoever, no working model that has ever been created of a ball spinning without being in a container while an atmosphere and water hold to it. But what I do see is fucking C.g.i. pictures, side views of our earth from as high as they can fucking go because they can't go any higher, and then put a fucking GoPro lens so they give you a curve on it and tell you it's the fucking earth. It's the ball earth. No, it's not. It's the side of a flat plane that they used a GoPro lens, you fucking retards. Are you that fucking dumb? Are you fucking dumb? Where are all the satellites? Huh? All these satellites that are flying around in space, where are they all? I don't see any.